are expected to perform the fixed role assigned to them by the society. And the third one is socially prescribed roles and behaviors expected for men and women. And in this prescription, women assume lower status. And the last one, it is a learned process and can be changed.
Good morning, sir. I'm here to discuss the example of gender bias. Boys, grow up to achieve. You will be a doctor. Primary job, secondary, marriage. He has to get a job before marriage. Girls, grow up to conform. Learn how to cook. Primary, marriage, secondary job. She has to